So there are two important flows of knowledge to track in the open innovation model. The first are the flows from the outside in, and these are the ones that feed and strengthen our business and our business model. And the second are the flows that go from the inside out to others, other businesses and other business models. So with this more open approach, there are different ways for ideas and technologies to go to the market. And this is one of the ideas around open innovation, is it makes more use both of your knowledge and of the knowledge of others. Instead of a value chain, I would propose a services value web that is not a linear process, but is instead an iterative process. And at the center of this process is the desire to create a superior customer experience. This must be the goal in a co-creation activity. And the way that we deliver this is through a process of engagement and interaction between us and our customer. So for example, we not only engage in co-creation, but we over here try to find and elicit tacit knowledge, perhaps new knowledge that we only discover through the process of working with our customers. So we know more than perhaps we are able to say for a requirements document, and it's when we engage and collaborate that this new, deeper knowledge can emerge for us to use to really satisfy the needs of our customer and create that positive customer experience. We then design experience points or moments of truth where we and the customer can engage directly with a tangible demonstration, perhaps a prototype, to see how they're going to use it. Does it really meet the needs that we discussed before? And then based on that, we have further iteration and learning so that we converge on that better customer experience. We can start to write new kinds of business models based on the outcomes that we provide instead of just the inputs that we offer. So now let me come back to Fujitsu and show you some of these ideas in action at Fujitsu. And these examples come from an activity that Fujitsu has been pursuing in Silicon Valley for almost 4 years now through the Open Innovation Gateway. This one is about how to open up the possibilities for collaboration and co-creation. And one of the things that the people in the Silicon Valley office of the Open Innovation Gateway realized is they needed to create faster processes to work effectively in Silicon Valley. One of the frustrations a number of startup companies share with me is they really like collaborating with the resources and the capabilities of large organizations. But many times, the companies who have these capabilities and have these resources take a long time to make a decision. And for startups, this is very frustrating. And so the Open Innovation Gateway has created a set of processes around fast innovation to try to improve the speed to match the speed of the startups to enable better collaboration. And they do this by targeting proofs of concept. Rather than a full product ready for mass launch to everywhere, to all your customers, the focus instead is on early demonstrations to a few customers. Another thing that the Open Innovation Gateway has been doing is thinking about this idea of co-creation and unlocking new knowledge, new possibilities, and even new business models, working with CXOs like yourself. But it's not too soon to say it's deepening the dialogue between the customer, the life insurance company, and Fujitsu. They are both learning new things about each other and about the opportunities in the market. And this is very exciting as well.